everyone, it's Rochelle here from the Photographer Society. So in this week's blog, I'm going to show you how automation helps me increase my bookings all the time. So it's pretty much, it works in the back end once I have it all set up. So if you find that at the moment that you're starting to get a few bookings and you're finding that, your tasks are increasing with whether it's admin or whatever it is in your business, I'm pretty sure that it can be automated, because once we start getting busy in our business, usually it's always the admin work that gets piled up. So this week I'm going to show you how you can use automation to get those tasks done, and how it can also help you turn those inquiries into bookings all the time. So first of all, why you should automate? Well, automation is pretty much a set of tasks you set up in a system, and then it does the work for you. So those tasks like writing emails back and forth, or trying to check up on clients, or those new inquiries, they're always tasks that you have to rinse and repeat all the time. If you're not a big business and you don't have an assistant helping you, or an online virtual assistant, then automating tasks can be so much useful of your time. So as a photographer, automation can be used in specific ways. So obviously you can't automate someone to go into your session and shoot for you, but what you can do is automate all that admin work from the first point of contact of someone to your business, like a new inquiry, right until sending them thank you for booking email. So you can do all that. Now last week, the week 2 blogs before this, I also shared with you inside my business system. So I'll put a link below for you. You can go check out that video. I got so much good feedback from it, and I show you how I use 17 hats in my own business. And within 17 hats, I've set up a series of emails that I actually have set up once, and then I send to new inquiries. Plus, after a client has left me, I send them all those automated emails as well. So this is how you can use it in your own photography business. Now, as a photographer, I suggest you use a series of emails you send to new inquiries. Especially, I know most of you guys are new, are starting a business or thinking of starting a business, and that's a bit scary when starting a business, as in what can you do with your admin, how to do it, and things like that. Well, if you have a business system, set up a series of emails that you would send to a client. And pretty much how I do it is, once I get a new inquiry, we add all those details, and I do mention this in that blog that I mentioned. We add them to my studio manager, and then after I call a client, whether they've answered or not answered or whatever they've said to me, I decide if I should activate a workflow. Now, a workflow in 17 hats is a series of emails. So it's a series of emails, about 4 emails I have set up already. All my virtual assistant has to do, and you don't need a VA to do this, you can do it yourself. She press activate, and then those series of emails get spread out based on what I've put the rules in each email to send. So it could be 2 days between each email to send, and you can do that. And sometimes people don't want to answer the phone. So when these emails are sending out, say every 2 or 3 days, they are getting reminded that they should book. This is especially great if you have an offer in place. Now, I highly suggest when you get a new inquiry and you've got these emails set up and ready to go, say 2 days between every email, and there's 4 emails, I always suggest the second last email to add something like a bonus to help clients decide that they should come in and book you. Because remember, when someone is looking around for a photographer, they're looking at so many other photographers as well. So when you add that bonus and they decide to come in and book you, that way you wouldn't have done nothing. Everything would have been previously set up and sending to them. So you don't have to worry once you activate those series of automated emails to send to those clients. You don't have to worry about following up, because I know mainly most of us don't like calling the client once, let alone 2 or 3 times. You don't want to bombard them as well. So having a series of emails is just a nice gentle reminder that they should book you in. So this is why and how you should use automated emails inside your business to send to clients that have just inquired into your business and looking to book in. So if you want to learn more about how to automate your business and your emails and everything else inside your photography business, we have a whole bundle inside the business school dedicated to how to use automation. You can go to the link, there should be a link below, and you can check more about the business school there. So, but for this week's blog, I've created a list of ideas and topics you can use for automation inside your business. So I think that will be so useful for you if you're stuck on what ideas to put in those emails in order to automate them and send them to those clients. So you can go and download that as well. There should be a link below this video somewhere too. So I hope you enjoyed this week's blog. Until next week, guys, I will see you then. Remember, if you have any questions about the freebie or about automation, leave them below and I will happily answer them. And if you guys are starting to automate your business, your emails, or anything else in your business, or you have a tip and trick that I don't know about, please do share it below because I know others will benefit from it as well. So until next week, guys, I'll see you then.